Tropical fruit tea from Sharetea is a refreshing blend that captures the essence of summer in every sip. Imagine yourself enjoying a perfectly balanced combination of high-quality tea leaves and the sweet, tangy flavors of tropical fruits like mango, passion fruit, and pineapple. It's more than just a drink, it's an experience that transports you to a tropical paradise, whether you're relaxing at home or catching up with friends. In today's world, where beverage options are endless, it's not easy to find a drink that truly stands out. Many drinks are either overly sweet, filled with artificial flavors, or lack the complexity to make them memorable. For tea enthusiasts, this can be a challenge. You want something refreshing, flavorful, and health-conscious. That's where tropical fruit tea from Sharetea makes its mark. This unique tea combines the rich, earthy base of traditional tea with the vibrant and exotic flavors of tropical fruits. What makes it special is its ability to deliver natural sweetness and tanginess without relying on artificial ingredients. It's also a healthier choice, as it's packed with antioxidants and vitamins from real fruit extracts. With customizable sweetness levels and a variety of toppings like boba, grass jelly, or aloe vera, this drink caters to every taste preference. The versatility of tropical fruit tea is another reason it's so loved. Whether you're seeking a cooling treat on a hot day or a comforting drink during a quiet evening, this tea adapts to any moment. Its bright colors and fruity aroma make it visually appealing and Instagram-worthy, perfect for sharing your love for tea with friends online. One of the key reasons to try tropical fruit tea is its health benefits. The tea base is rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and promote overall wellness. Meanwhile, the natural fruit flavors provide a boost of vitamins that support your immune system. Compared to sugary sodas or processed juices, this tea is a smarter choice for those seeking a flavorful yet nourishing option. The highlight of this tea is the experience it offers. Sharetea takes pride in crafting beverages that not only taste great, but also create moments of joy. With every sip, you'll discover a new layer of flavor, from the rich undertones of the tea to the refreshing burst of tropical fruit. It's a drink that invites you to slow down and savor the moment. Whether you're enjoying it on your own or sharing it with loved ones, ready to experience the magic of tropical fruit tea, head to your nearest Sharetea store or order online to indulge in this irresistible drink. Customize it to match your preferences, add boba for a chewy texture, adjust the sweetness level, or experiment with other toppings. With so many options, each visit feels like a new adventure. Try tropical fruit tea from Sharetea today. Visit your nearest store or order online, and don't forget to share your experience with friends. Treat yourself to a drink you love.